Okay.
Oh, that's looking good, man.
Okay. So I'm going to add a little salt over here to our lemon pepper seasoning. There we go. And a little more garlic. There we go. And some oregano. There we go. Okay. Now let's get some more of this squash. I've got a little piece left here. Let's get him onto the grill. And I think we're about ready now to turn over our chops so we can get them okay, we're going to let those cook a little more, and then we're going to mix them up with our two spatulas, right? Okay. Now, let's get our, and let's see how this other side is looking here. Oh, perfect. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful. Look at that. All right, we'll flip them over. And we're going to cook these. You can get some more if you like, a little more oregano. We're Italians and Greeks here, and we like our oregano, and we like our Italian seasonings, but you use what you like. If you like just salt and pepper, put salt and pepper. There we go. Okay, so we're going to let these go for about 4 or 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put our lid on. Now, over here, we have our veggies, and they're really making beautiful sounds over here. So let's get our things and kind of move things around a little bit here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They do have spatulas that go with these grills, and in the next few weeks I've got some coming that are going to go just for the grill, designed specially. They're a bit longer like this than these short ones here. I'm just sort of making do here with what I have. Okay, there we go. All right, now we got these mixed a little bit. Gonna let them keep cooking. Okay. And then we're gonna come over here, and our chops, I think what I'm gonna do is help them along. So I have here a nice lid that's designed for these grills. And you can melt cheese with these lids. You can steam vegetables. That's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to move this all over in a minute and then get the lid on top. But I'm just going to go right on top there like that, because we like ours medium well, okay? So I need to steam them to help them along to get the core inside from being red and get him cooked, okay? All right, so here we have our veggies. Let's get our veggies together here a little bit. See if I can't pile them up. We'll pile them up like this. And there we've got it. We're gonna cook these off, and then we'll show you after we got things cooked how these plate up, and we will have a feast today here in the Carpizzo's kitchen. And there we have it. Okay, and I'm gonna get the other lid right on top of here. I have him under here, right here like this, just like this, and steam those veggies off. Okay.
Get another shot of the lamb chops.
The lamb chops? Here you go, Anthony.
Because that looks really good. I need to make sure I get a nice shot of it. It's just beautiful. Absolutely.
Okay, foodies, so there we got it. We'll be back, and in the next video, we'll show you how this all plates up. So this is Peter Carpizzo's wishing you all the best. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again. Peter Carpizzo's out.